Welcome back to Brazen Brits. So we just spent approximately 2 hours looking for the drill. And where was it, Lawrence?
So I am...
I'm going to switch you around.
Okay, so we have been looking... I've lost my drill and my screwdriver and our little multi-tool. And I thought maybe someone had stolen it. So we've just been checking all of our cameras because everything is covered by cameras. And we have people detection, so I can see no alerts, nothing. So then I thought, well, Natalie's tidied it away somewhere.
I was certain I had, yeah.
Even she thought that.
Yep.
And then I thought, well, Devon's nicked it. Who's our nephew? You'll meet him in a minute. But this is a secret drawer I built a few videos back, where I keep all of my tools now.
Found it.
It makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Right, this is my nephew, Devon, on Natalie's side. You already met Edward a few weeks ago. Devon is here to help us. By help, I mean he's going to do everything. He said he's cool with that, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, fine. So, right, the first most important thing, Devon, we need 2 chairs, please.
Okay.
Next, I need you to cut the battens for the ceiling, please.
Yeah.
If you can just install those either side of where the AC would be. Yep, looks good. If you can just measure the panel on the right now, the roof panel, basically the same as what we did the last couple of weeks. Just measure that and then cut it on the table saw just along so it fits.
Yeah. Fine, Devon, your nipples are fine. No one cares.
Smuggling peanuts over there.
No! So unfair. Definitely. Don't get my nipple. Definitely doesn't look like you got boobs right now. Carry on.
Yep, that's good. Basically just do exactly the same with the other one. A gap down the middle, we need to cut a bit just to slide in there so it hides the gaps.
Ready?
Looks alright, did okay I guess. Now just if you can put the skylights around back on, and then yeah, just reinstall the AC and I think we're good to go.